Hi, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Rich Luck Insider. Today we're gonna talk about a stock that tripled the money. If this is your first time to Rich Luck Insider, we talk about stock investing and real estate investing and how to make more money. So if you want to make more money in life, you can subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss any of our videos. Get free stocks and audiobooks in the description and comment below at the end of the video. Today we're going to talk about cryptocurrency market and also stock market as overview, what's happening, and a stock that tripled the money. So today the stock market is mostly up except for the Nasdaq, and Russell is also up. Crude oil is inching up to $64 right now. So if you're thinking about doing road trips, now maybe the best time to do it, before it goes up again, because economy is opening up. So more and more people are gonna travel, more and more demand for the oil, so the oil could go up later. And gold and silver, they don't move really much, and USD appreciate against euro and British pound and Japanese yen as well. So euro 1.20, it used to be 1.30, so basically euro depreciated a lot because of the pandemic and financial crisis in the eurozone as well. British pound 1.39. It used to be 1.5. One British pound is equal to 1.5 US dollar. Used to be. Now British pound also depreciated. So Bitcoin is 57,000, and other crypto appreciated, and the stock exchange went up as well, and nickel was down. And Ethereum is 3,420 right now. It increased 16.42% in one day. Dogecoin 0.44, so it increased 19.7% in one day, within one day. That's really crazy. Yeah, I've been talking about Ethereum and Dogecoin and Bitcoin, in my stock membership club. If you are interested, you can join stock membership club in the link and description below. My favorite ones are Ethereum, and second one will be Dogecoin, and Bitcoin will be the third one. And crypto electricity, I also put out the price target for crypto. So if you're interested, you can click on this link down below. And stock market overhaul is basically technology stock were down, healthcare, consumer deposit, they were down, energy, they were up. So overall stock market is balanced right now. Not every stock is up, not every stock is down. And look at it, the top trading volume stock, PRPO, OCGM. So PRPO went up because they are selling their testing kit, COVID testing kit on Amazon. OCGI is trying to export their COVID vaccine to US market, so that's why it's been going up pretty much. And SNDA as well. SNDA has been up. FAM dropped on Friday, but now it's up 70.71%. It dropped because they were trying to issue shares, diluted shares, and it's not a good sign. Then when the companies need to issue shares to get capital, they could just basically borrow the money if they could. If even the banks don't lend them the money, so that's not a good sign. So nonetheless, a stock can bounce, after the big drop. Naked Brand was also one of the top 5 volumes, but usually there are always one or two blue chip stocks on the top 5. Blue chip stocks are those companies with a long-term growth track record, great companies, strong balance sheets. But these companies are a penny stock. Look at it. All the stocks are below $5. There's a penny stock. So that means that a lot of retail investors are trading this. A lot of people are trading this. So PRPO, yeah, I sent out an alert to my stock membership in the morning, 10:30 a.m. Eastern time, 9:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. I told them that, hey, if you want to trade today, may be the best chance. It's moving. I saw that. I sent out an alert. So at the end of the day, it closed at 4.95, but after market, it closed at 6.79. So market cap is pretty low. So it closed at 6.79 after market. So congratulations, I have another watch list, 23. So if you are interested, the link is down below as well. So congratulations to trading and Palladium members who made money today. So if you are investing in Amazon in 24 years ago, just 1,000 shares, pay about 1,730. You will be seated on 3.4 million right now. You will be retired. If you invested when you were 20 years old, and by the age of 40 years old, you just made 3 millions. You just retired for that. So if you want to know how to do stock investing, so the sooner you start, the better it is. You don't need to have a few hundred thousand to make money in stock market. You can start with a few hundred, or even a few thousand to start making money in stock markets. So if you want to join, you can join Gold Petrol, Traded Petrol. Gold Petrol is suitable for people who want to invest long term in 1 year later, and they don't have time to look at the stocks all the time. So this is perfect for them. But if you are somebody who like to trade a lot, you want to do day trading, swing trading, buy today, sell today, or if it's swing trade, buy today, sell a few days later, or a few days later, you can do this. You can do this with Traded Petrol. Most popular one is Palladium Petrol because it gives you all the access to Gold Petrol, Traded Petrol. It saves you money, $16, and you also get access to Saver Petrol, which is a dividend stock. Most importantly, you can test me directly on the Patreon. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.